ayuda who apologizes first after having an argument. Say ng aktor na si Donnie Pangilinan, I believe it, anyone can apologize even if he or she is not at fault. Pero kami ni Belle, kahit sino ang may kasalanan sa amin, handa kaming mag-sorry para maayos agad yung problema. Pero madalas ako, it's 99.9% time na ako. Because, well, I can stay without talking to her. Hindi ko kaya, kaya susuyuin ko siya agad-agad. Ay, bongga, napakagandang relasyon.